It has happened to you, or someone you love. I know your story. Everyone's situation is different but the results are the same. What does this strange food have to do with your body? I'm going to show in this video, but first, I've got a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to feel more confident about your body? Do you struggle with your weight and want to look more lean and fit? If this is you, then don't hold yourself back anymore. Come on, you know you want that lifestyle. You know, the one that everyone talks about. Where you can show off your six-pack or that bikini at the beach. So, why hasn't it happened for you yet? Come on, admit it. This isn't the first time you've been looking for a proven way to lose weight, is it? When is it your turn? When you watch this video to the end, you're going to discover how the keto plan can change your life. So guys, I want you to meet Stefan. And a few years ago, he was just like you. After nearly 4 years clean from drugs and alcohol, he had switched addictions to food and put on around 200 pounds. In the end, he weighed almost 400 pounds and was facing bariatric surgery. You see, just a month ago he had started his new meal plan, or so he thought. He had been trying strength training and cardio for almost a year now and kept hearing people talk about how the most important thing you can have is a good diet. It made total sense to him. He did all the research and found out that if he eats fewer calories in his diet he could lose weight in no time, but he had no idea what to eat. The problem he had was that he didn't know what to eat or how much he could eat on a daily. And that's when he made up in his mind that he's gonna change his eating habits for good. So first he tried going to the gym every day, but that didn't work at all. Then he tried cardio and it was a little better. And that's when he finally tried keto, and guess what? This time it worked. And that's when he realized it wasn't his fault, it was what he was eating in his diet. No wonder he was struggling. For years, people had been telling him just to go to the gym every day, and when he figured out that it wasn't true, he was finally able to break out of their chains and get the results he deserves. The real problem was that he didn't consume healthy foods in his diet. Also, he wasn't sure about how many calories he was eating to keep him from getting results. Once he realized it was his diet, he then started tracking his calories on a daily. That's when he started to lose weight really fast. But it wasn't just Stefan who got results. Take a look at what keto has done for others. Everyone didn't realize that when starting keto, not only does it help with weight loss, but it also improves acne, diabetes, and kills certain types of cancer. The custom keto plan took years in the making. It cost $37. It's designed for your own personalized meal plan. Also, it makes losing weight so much easier. It used to take Stefan hours to prepare foods, now he gets it done in just 30 minutes. So it burns fat overnight, so you can lose weight without exercising, so it will make you feel more confident. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what others are saying. But before we get started, let me ask you a question. Would you like to get access to a custom keto plan for less than the cost of a cheap meal for two? You can get access to everything inside of the custom keto plan. Now, while it would be impossible to show you all of the benefits of the custom keto plan, I want to show you some of the things that you'll experience as soon as you're inside. Plus, you will be getting my free ebook, a keto training video, and a keto checklist. So that's a total of $97. If all this did was give you the body of your dreams, would it be worth it? Guys, I must say again, if all this did was give you a happier and healthier life, would it be worth it? I'm not going to charge you $97, I am only going to charge you $37 for everything. Now I'm going to take on all the risk, and give you my holy grail guarantee. But you must act now, because this will be available for a limited time only. Just imagine what life would be like after purchasing the custom keto plan. So click on the button below right now, and you'll be taken to a secure order form. After you put in your credit card information, you will be taken to the secure members area, where you can download the custom keto plan, even if it's 2 a.m. For those who are already signed up, this is what's going to happen next. You see, it doesn't matter to us if you sign up right now or not. We will still be going about our daily business and hitting our fitness goals with absolute certainty whether you join our team or not. However, without our help, you'll always be working harder than you need to. I know it sounds kind of harsh, but I think you'll agree that it's true. Remember, you get the custom keto plan for just $37 today, a total value of $90.